Welcome to the Skylink belt drive garage door opener installation guide. In this video, we'll be showing you how to assemble and install your Adams garage door opener. Place the motor in its protective cover and place it on the ground 9 feet away from your garage door. Ensure that the first section of rail, which should have 3 holes facing up, is pointing towards the motor. Connect it sequentially with the next segments of rail and ensure the last piece, which should have a rectangular opening at the end, is pointed towards your garage door. Install the 2 C3 spacers in the last piece of rail. Slide the pulley in between the spacers. Secure the pulley with the clevis pin and lock it in by inserting the hitch pin at the bottom end of the clevis pin as shown. Next, head over to the motor side and slide the trolley on as shown. Make sure that the handle is pointing downward. There should also be an arrow indicator on the trolley that would be pointing towards your garage door if installed correctly. Move the rail onto the motor and install the rail into the sprocket. Then install the sprocket onto the motor shaft. Attach the mounting brackets and line them up with the appropriate slots shown in the video. Secure the brackets with the provided B1 bolts. Next, secure the sprocket with the 2 M4 screws shown. On the section attached to the motor, install a B2 bolt and secure it with a B3 lock. Take out the belt from the packaging. Wrap the belt around the sprocket. Make sure that the grooves of the belt fit snugly within the sprocket. Pull the belt along the length of the rail and wrap it around the pulley. Push the belt through the trolley and hook it with the turnbuckle on the other end. Hold the back of the turnbuckle and twist it to tighten the belt. Use a plier to pull out the U-pin. Install the sprocket cover by putting it over the sprocket and pressing down until there is a click. Congratulations! You have completed the belt garage door opener assembly. Thank you for choosing Skylink.